Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Nvidia control panel only showing 3D settings. So probably if you on this video you don't have display in the video settings. So the first thing you need to make sure that your monitor is connected to your GPU, because if you connect it here on this on the top, this display in video should not appear. So what you need to do here, you need to connect your monitor directly to your GPU on these plugs on directly to your Nvidia GPU, and then after that you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you just need to completely open up device manager, and then you need to make sure that your on display adapters Nvidia GeForce Nvidia GPU is here, right? And if it's working, then you need to open up task manager. You need to go to Nvidia and search, and then close Nvidia web help service, and then close Nvidia container, right? And after that, what you need to do here next is to go on search services, and on services click on one of the tasks here and press N, right? And then you should find Nvidia local system container and Nvidia display container LS. So first you just need to right click on it, go to properties, and make sure that startup type is automatic and also service status is on running. If it's not running, press start, and do with all these two, right? And if you find all the options here is on automatic and service status is running, what you need to do here is to right click on it and then restart, right click on a local system container and restart, right? And the last thing that I suggest you to do here is to make sure your GPU is fully updated. Just open up GeForce Experience, then go to the drivers section, check for updates and install the latest drivers on your GPU, and then restart your computer and your problem should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.